Okay, everybody. You have an iPod Touch here, and as you can see, it's kind of dirty. But as you can see, the Super Bowl is going on. But it's kind of like the screen's kind of dirty, so I'm about to show you how to clean it. Okay. Okay. All you're gonna need is paper towel and a wet wipe. Paper towel and wet wipe. Some people say, "Oh, you don't really need to put this up," but you know, you never know. It's gonna wipe through. Or as you can see, it's already getting shiny. Then rub for a little bit. Wipe. Rub. It's not a long video, just something to clarify. And as you can see, it's pretty much really made a difference. Okay, like, subscribe because I'm about to be coming up with some new iPod videos about how to jailbreak and reset your iPod and some secret tricks that you can use. Okay,